Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get notified if one of your friends or multiple posts a story on Snapchat. It's a very quick and simple thing to do, so let's just jump into it. Open up your Snapchat and the first thing you want to do is go to your settings by going to your profile on the top left and then clicking the little gear icon on the top right. Now you want to scroll to the notification settings. Am I blind or am I missing them? Oh, there they are, sorry. Open up your notification settings and scroll to the very bottom. Now here, where it says manage story notifications, right here, you want to click that. And here you can get notified when a subscription posts a new story. So let's say I want Mike Theory or Doctor How, and I click done. And now I will get a notification every time Doctor How posts a story. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.